officers is a U.S. Postal Service SUV that was stolen at gunpoint a week ago.
Damn,
What
stole a
officers had no
Postal
clue
Service
about
truck?
was that sitting in the front seats were young girls who were possibly armed, and one of them was even a juvenile.
Damn, and they even girls? Oh, man. Savage, yo. What the fuck are they at? Chicago? What are they at?
Looks like they took out the driver's side tire.
Oh, alright. Oh, they balling in that motherfucker. There's a girl driving. Damn. Keep pushing that motherfucker. Keep trying.
Approaching South Mott Avenue, stand by. It's going to be a left. They're going to bail out. Right, left Main Street. Crossing over Main Street.
Main Street.
25 miles an hour.
Heard that before.
Where are you? Make this left.
Damn, okay. You flying past police and all that? I know they not by the highball right there. How the fuck? That's stupid. What the hell is that? Oh, they running. Go, go, go. Oh, man, bro got caught. He said, oh, shit. Oh. Nigga, I'd have slid over the car like a James Bond movie. Damn, she bet in your dumb ass. Oh, my God.
Put your hand behind your
You
back.
hit them feet.
That's the driver. Yep. Cuff her up. Cuff her up.
Yeah, that was the drive.
You have a
He
gun on
tackled
you?
the shit out of her dumb ass.
You have a gun on you?
Always the wrong thing. Yeah, first thing he say, hey, you got a gun? Wrong place, wrong time, y'all. I don't know what y'all was doing.
Get on the ground. Get on the
Pulled
ground.
over.
Get on the
Or
ground.
tried
Now.
for them to
Get
chase
on the
her.
ground. Handcuffs.
One after the other.
You
Right?
got anything on you? No. Where are we? You want to do it? You want to do a pat down? Yeah, sure. Do you have a gun on you? Tell us now. You ready?
You want to do a pat down? Nigga, that should be mandatory. He talking about, yeah, sure.
Stand up. Stand up. Who's got the gun?
My man, look. Shit, yo. Hey, bro. I was just here in the back seat, bro. You know what was going on?
He's got his phone.
All right. All right, I'll check him one more time. We'll put him in the car.
Sounds good.
You want to hold on to him?
Yeah.
Oh, they double checked that motherfucker. Yeah,
How many are at large?
you gotta have a gun.
How many?
They gotta have a gun.
We got a female.
One out large.
All they want is a blicky.
There's 4, I think.
Go that way to the stop sign. They have a blue one right there.
You still have one in custody?
How many came out of the car?
He said 4.
Was it 3 or 4?
He said 4. Was there a 4th one, Nick?
I don't think so.
He says he doesn't think there was a 4th.
No,
They don't even know if it's 3 or 4.
Tom, you said 3 on the air.
Yeah,
You said 3
I
heads.
saw 3 heads.
They
in the
just
car while
wanna
we were
be
driving,
like,
but that
there's
doesn't
more
mean 4 didn't
niggas.
pop out.
Well, you could have had a random nigga walking down the street like, what the fuck going on here? Hey, you commit? Oh, what the fuck?
This is mine.
Grab you up? What the fuck I do, nigga? You being detained. Bruh,
This thing right here.
I swear I
Although
wish
the
I could
officers had
just chop and
successfully
screw your
captured
ass
3
right now. I'm gonna
suspects,
sue
the dash
you
cam
so
view
bad.
revealed that there were actually 4 of them who got out of the vehicle.
That's one thing about us black
However,
people.
at the moment,
We gonna sue.
officers
What's
were
your
not
badge
sure how
number?
many of them had been
Bitch
inside
ass
the
nigga, what's your
SUV
name?
and were
All
very
right,
close to
all right.
concluding the
Write it
arrests,
down.
not knowing the
Write it
missing
down. Take a
suspect
picture.
was
I'll take
hiding
shit.
in
We
plain
don't do
sight
shit.
just a few feet away.
Let's put this
You
guy in the
lazy as
car.
fuck.
We'll put her in the car. I'll get a few checker.
Oh, so there was a third.
Well, I mean, she doesn't appear to have anything on her, so.
Yes, like, nah, I did see
Where's
that
your
one
shoes?
going on. I ain't no snitch.
Front seat where you were driving, right?
Watching.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're not a very good driver, I have to be honest with you.
obviously, they caught.
What's up this way?
Incriminating nothing. My the trial could be going on live.
And keep my ID, please.
Bruh,
Three.
they say this motherfucker in plain sight. Where the fuck they at?
How many people were in the car, honestly? There's at least 3.
Listen, if you want to help yourself, listen, ma'am, miss, hello, look at me for a second. This is Sergeant Muriel, I'm Sergeant Chris, Detective Lutz. If you want to help yourself, okay, for anything today, for our safety, how many people in the car? And is there a weapon
Man,
in the
she a
car?
big girl for her. She was running.
Okay, so I haven't seen the car, then we'll take it headquarters, okay? You're being placed under arrest right now, okay?
Yeah.
I made contact
You
with the
did,
car
right.
to trap him in the car.
This is armed robbery.
Supposed to
We're
not.
not a bailout. That was a good
Well,
job.
I didn't
lawyer.
smash into it. I just. Okay,
Bitch
so I
ass
can move
nigga.
it.
I don't want to talk to none of y'all.
There's no accident here.
12. You feel me? That's how I'd have been feeling. I'd have been like, man,
The victim was there.
hurry up and take me to jail.
No accident here.
Trying to go lay down.
Yeah, I mean, they didn't just like smash into the back of him. They just trying to squeeze and kind of bumped both sides of the car.
So it was a bump.
Yeah, I mean, they went through pretty fast, but
And they were only doing 25, 30 miles.
sometimes, yeah, it was a terrible driver.
She was driving.
She was.
They was doing
Luckily,
25, 30.
a woman in
What
one
the
of the
fuck,
civilian
man? They
cars
was
parked at the
bipping.
scene had seen
Or maybe
everything
when
and
they
knew where
cut.
the last suspect was hiding.
Oh no.
Other girl,
We got us a
the car,
master splinter.
She went in here,
I'm calling ice on you, bitch. This is why they come for you.
right in there.
You was supposed to be cool.
She's
Black
saying that there was a
Amigos,
girl that went in here.
You supposed to fuck them up.
She said that there was another girl that went in here. Really? Get out.
Oh,
Who's got cuffs? Cuffs!
Hey yo, she was gonna get away, yo. I
What's going
swear.
on? What were you doing? Checking a radiator?
I actually do remember seeing her now. She came out with the other one. She did a good job.
Checking the radiator. What the fuck? Radiator?
Thank God.
We got a few more.
Just check under here, please.
Here. Can you search it real quick?
Bruh, she had the best hiding space ever. Oh, this is
She's got a lot
Jersey!
of money on her.
New fucking Jersey.
Confirm that plate, please, that you have there. Is it limit?
And she was holding. No.
Stand by.
Hell no.
That's her property, all right? Keep that with me.
Oh, it was only 100. Okay. Yo, she had wide of money. Yo, at that motherfucker. We found the plug.
Well, Melville's saying that there was no gun now.
Look at these bitches. Good
That's
job,
why
nigga.
we're not going
Get the
crazy.
fuck out of here. Goofy
Now that I see it,
ass.
bro, I remember like for like a split second, they both came off. They did come off.
Were they? I went like this at the corner, and I saw you by yourself. I'm like, let me go that way.
All 4 suspects were charged with receiving stolen property and resisting arrest by flight. Additionally,
There's 4.
as per the latest reports,
No.
the investigation is currently active, and if found
Hey,
guilty,
come on
Connor
now,
could be
bruh.
looking at 10 years in prison along with fines up to $150,000, while the other 3 could possibly face up to 5 years in prison and
You
fines up
never
to
do the whole time, though. They
$15,000.
just be scaring you.
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Hey, man. Thanks for watching this video, man. Until next time, man.